Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to use WhatsApp channels in a quick and easy way. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Updates tab. This is where you'll find status and channels. Next, scroll down to the Channels section and tap Find Channels. Here you can search for channels about news, sports, education, entertainment, or your favorite creators. Once you find a channel you like, simply tap on it and press the Follow button. Now you'll start receiving updates from that channel in your Updates tab. You can also react to posts using emojis, but your reactions stay private. If you want to manage notifications, tap the bell icon to turn alerts on or off. And that's it. That's how you easily find, follow, and use WhatsApp channels to stay updated with the topics you love. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more simple tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.